In the frozen expanse of the Russian Arctic, where blizzards howl across permafrost and summer turns vast tundra into an impassable sea of mud and floodwaters, one machine now stands ready to conquer it all. Unveiled just days ago on April 24, 2026, by engineers in Russia's Nizhny Novgorod region, the Rusek K6 is not merely another vehicle. It is Russia's latest declaration of technological supremacy in the world's harshest environment. A compact, unstoppable 6x6 all-terrain powerhouse engineered from the ground up for Arctic dominance. Picture this. A remote oil exploration outpost on the Yamal Peninsula, -45 degrees Celsius, no roads for hundreds of kilometers. Conventional trucks are buried in snowdrifts or stranded in thawing swamps. But here comes the Rusek K6, gliding forward on its massive ultra-low pressure tubeless tires. These giant snowshoes spread the vehicle's 6.5-ton gross weight across a vast footprint, delivering ground pressure so low it literally floats over deep snow, soft marshland, and even sand without sinking. Where tracked vehicles bog down or tear up fragile tundra, the K6 rolls smoothly, leaving minimal environmental impact, a perfect fit for Russia's commitment to sustainable development in the far north. At roughly 6 meters long, 2.75 meters wide, and 3.1 meters tall, the K6 strikes an ideal balance. It is the first 3-axle model in the proven Rusek family, more maneuverable than its larger K-8 siblings yet capable of carrying up to 1.8 tons of cargo or 8 to 12 passengers in a modular cabin. Its 0.54-meter ground clearance lets it crawl over fallen logs, boulders, and uneven permafrost ridges that would stop ordinary off-roaders cold. And when the terrain turns to water, shallow rivers, flooded lowlands, or coastal shallows, the K6 becomes truly amphibious. Its sealed body and tire design provide enough buoyancy to cross without extra flotation gear, propelled confidently by its durable all-wheel drive powertrain. Step inside, and the advantage becomes crystal clear. The thermally insulated cabin maintains a livable temperature even as Arctic winds rage outside at -50. Crews stay warm, equipment functions perfectly, and operations continue around the clock, year-round. Winter freezes the landscape into a solid white desert. The K6's low-pressure tires and proven suspension deliver unmatched traction. Summer melts the permafrost into treacherous swamps. The same tires keep it afloat and mobile where others sink. Fuel consumption is impressively low thanks to its optimized size and weight, and maintenance is straightforward using in-house Russian components. Transmission, chassis, and structural elements are produced domestically, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers and making the vehicle resilient even under the toughest geopolitical conditions. This is no prototype fantasy. The first K6 unit is already undergoing rigorous real-world testing in extreme terrain, extreme weather, and heavy load scenarios. Early reports confirm what Russian engineers have long mastered: reliability born from decades of experience in the Far East and the Arctic. The vehicle's modular design turns it into a true multi-mission platform: cargo hauler for remote mining sites, passenger transport for scientific expeditions, mobile workshop for infrastructure crews, or even medical evacuation unit when every minute counts. In Russia's vast northern territories, where settlements can be separated by hundreds of kilometers of roadless wilderness, the K6 becomes a lifeline. And this matters now more than ever. As climate change opens the northern sea route to longer navigation seasons, Russia is securing its rightful place as the Arctic superpower. The Rusek K6 directly supports that strategy. It delivers supplies to new military outposts guarding the route, ferries equipment to gas fields powering Europe and Asia, and enables emergency response teams to reach stranded communities faster than ever. While some nations talk about Arctic ambitions, Russia builds and deploys the machines that make those ambitions real. Domestic innovation like the K6 proves that Russian industry thrives under pressure, turning challenges into breakthroughs. Cost-effective yet supremely capable, the K6 bridges the gap between lighter 4x4 models and heavy 8x8 expedition beasts. It offers the perfect blend of payload, mobility, and affordability for industries operating where conventional transport simply fails. Oil and gas giants, mining operations, emergency services, and infrastructure developers all stand to benefit. And with serial production on the horizon, the Rusek K6 is poised to become the backbone of Arctic logistics across Russia's northern frontier, and potentially beyond, for any nation facing similar extreme conditions. Russia has always led in conquering the poles, from the first icebreaker fleets to modern scientific stations. The Rusek K6 continues that proud tradition. It is more than steel, rubber, and engineering. It is proof of Russian ingenuity, resilience, and determination to master the Arctic on its own terms. In a world racing for polar resources and strategic routes, this all-terrain machine ensures Russia stays far ahead, unbreakable, unstoppable, and firmly in control of its frozen domain. As the K6 completes its final tests and rolls into full service, one thing is certain. The Arctic no longer belongs to the elements alone. It belongs to those bold enough to build machines like this. Russia has done exactly that. The Rusek K6 is here, and the North will never be the same.